Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And the big question going into today was, hey, you know what? The price had started to bounce yesterday. So the question going in today was, hey, you know what? Is this bounce? Is that the start of something bigger? And we got our answer today. No, absolutely not. That is what we would call a dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to call it a dead cat bounce, a fake bounce? Well, the fact that the price has gone not only back to where it started, but even lower. So overall, yeah, late yesterday on Thursday was a nice move, but just an absolute dead cat. And that also brings about the first key update that needs to be made. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 1275 now going into the day was that key area of support, but now that the price has broken down below it, that would be considered the initial level of resistance. So in any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, 1275 is going to be that first key roadblock that needs to be cleared. If the price can push through that area, the next key level to watch would be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So sure, right now it's slightly above $13, but that line will continue to move itself lower and lower as next week plays out. But I'm probably getting a little ahead of ourselves because let's just first see if the price can even get up above 1275. But nonetheless, near-term level of resistance, 1275, and then overarching level of resistance up there at the 50-period moving average. As far as levels of support are concerned now, first key level is just simply where the bleeding stopped today finally. So nothing fancy here other than the fact of the price, like I said, essentially stopped going down at $12.10. So that'll be the initial area of support. In the event that level does not quite hold up, the next key area of support, that's not guaranteed to hit, but I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price then potentially drift down to right around that $11.70 mark. So overall, a very, very brutal week, not only for AAL, but just airlines in general. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.